Today, I'm sharing my honest FloatSki review in 2026, based on testing and research before buying it myself. At first glance, FloatSki feels like one of those overhyped water sport gadgets, but once I actually got it on the water, it surprised me. Setup was quick, the build felt solid, and the buoyancy control was smoother than I expected. It's designed for beginners, but even intermediate riders can have fun with it. On the plus side, it's lightweight, easy to transport, and the learning curve is pretty short. I was able to stand and glide within the first session. However, it's not perfect. High-speed stability can feel a bit shaky, and it does take practice to really master turns. In terms of value, I'd say it sits in the mid-range category. You're paying for convenience and fun, not professional performance. If you're considering buying FloatSki in 2020X, I'd recommend it for casual riders, families, or anyone new to water sports. Just don't expect pro-level performance right away. Overall, I'm impressed, and I'd give it a solid thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it or want a deeper comparison with alternatives next time.